All right, here's your video on the volume of cylinders. We're still under the 6.6a volume of cylinders. Now we're going to work backwards to figure out what our radius is. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and plug in everything we know. Here we have our volume. So for volume, we could plug in 1,000. And then we can set that equal to, we have our pi. And then we don't know what our radius squared is just yet. All right, so we're going to have that open. We're going to have that ready to go, so we could find that. And then we do have our height of 9 centimeters, so we can plug in the 9. So the first thing you're going to want to do is we want to get the r by itself. We can go step by step, or we can take care of it. We can hit two birds with one stone. If I were you, I'd just go ahead and divide both sides by pi times 9. Now, IXL does usually want you to use 3.14. Again, if you won't have to do this working backwards in terms of pi. But if we go ahead and use that pi button and we divide 1,000, sorry, I'm actually doing this while recording, we're going to find out that, remember, this is radius squared, okay? So this cancels and this cancels. We're left with radius squared. We do not have our radius yet. Okay, the radius squared, I'm going to round to the nearest tenth, is going to come out to approximately 35.4. And since we do have that square, we need to square root it. So whenever I square root the 35.4, I will come out to that my radius is going to be approximately 5.9. Okay? That's how you work backwards.